Hey, it's ClayTrader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action like you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. Did this one yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and want to get the chart updated here a little bit. Update's probably not the right word, more so confirmation than anything else, as we had a couple levels definitely confirmed. The big one being this support level here at 0.042. For those of you that watched yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about that one. And I talked about it as a level of support, and you can see the bears try to push down through it. They made temporary progress, but that didn't last very long, and the price quickly snapped back above it. And then during the final 30 minutes, you can see the price fell down, and the bears made another go at it, but once again, the bulls held strong there. So 0.042 definitely holding that support, and that's a very nice sign of strength. I mean, if the price can continue to hold up above this level, then that would certainly be the best case for the chart, as I talked about in yesterday's video. In the event the price cannot hold above it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything else, but that's where that purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And as I believe I talked about in yesterday's video, from the big picture perspective, and the easiest way to really kind of judge the current health of the move, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And because that purple line has now crossed above the green line there, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this green line. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but not totally relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines of where that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, ideal level of support, 0.042. If that can hold, then from taking a step back, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are still in full control. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here, still 0.052. I didn't quite get tested today. Got somewhat close right there, but not really. So 0.052, though, still key level of resistance going into tomorrow. So sure, today didn't put in any new highs, but that's just one day. When you look at multiple days, the bulls are still in control of the uptrend, and as long as those higher lows keep being built, that's what you want to see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.